how expensive they were. I was never gonna like really truly own a Drunk Elephant product because reasons. I now have 3. Who am I? Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just kind of doing a laid back little haul. I don't really do hauls because I normally don't buy much, but I kind of got hit by a little bug recently. So I was like, you know what, why not show you guys what I'm going to be using, trying, how much money I spent. We're not going to think about that. We're not going to think about that. So this stuff was accumulated over a 1 month's time. Most of it at the same time, but I just figured I'd just throw it all in to let you guys know what I'm using, what I'm gonna start trying, and if you guys wanna see any videos from these products, definitely let me know in the comments below. So I'm gonna start with the product that started all of this. This baby right here. This one I've actually been using for almost a month now. Pretty much as soon as it was released, I bought it. So this is the Self-Respect Day Selfie kit from Drunk Elephant. I bought this mainly because I wanted the full-size Sephora Day Serum. I've been wanting the serum for a long time, but I was like, I don't want to pay just for this. And then the kit came out and I was like, take my money. So I will show a close-up of this because one, I originally was going to do a different video, but then I decided against it. And plus this is like a mirror type thing, so it's easier if I just do a close-up. And I kept it in the pack, or put it back in the pack, because my initial unboxing for it accidentally broke the knob. I mean, I fixed it, but I just don't want to deal with it. And I've already been using these products for a while, so I didn't want to have to put them back in. And I'm pretty sure I got rid of the plastic or whatever. So this kit comes with 5 products. So you got the full-size Sephora Day Serum, the Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum, the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, the Proteiny Peptide Cream, that's what I forgot to bring downstairs, and then the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense SPF. So just because I've already been using these, I already let you guys know that the D-Bronzy, I'm not D-Bronzy, why do I keep saying B? The D-Bronzy is just a bronzy serum. It says anti-pollution, but I'm like, it does nothing for me. And then when I go to clean up my face, there's actually like a tint. So I guess if you want like a little tint, this is fine. Because of my complexion, the tint means nothing. So I didn't really like this. I felt like this actually broke me out, but that could just be me just being stupid, so whatever. I just haven't been using this. I'm using this on my body though. Like I'll mix it with some of my lotions and just do it that way. But on my face, I just passed. This is the Hydra Intense Hydrating Serum. I absolutely love this stuff. You'll see in a second. And then of course I've been loving this for my hyperpigmentation, dark spots, all that good stuff. So this won't be a general review because most of the stuff I'm going to show you is still in its original packaging. I just happen to already been using the Selfie Respect and Shelf Respect, and it was the reason that I went down this rabbit hole to begin with. So another product I got was the Tango Multivitamin Eye Serum. This is also from Drunk Elephant. This was actually a sample, but I mean, come on, like if I'm already getting these, I might as well get the serum. I'm gonna be a little bit all over the place. So this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. This is the original one. I actually have it out here. So I actually got this with my points from ordering straight from Glow Recipe. I love this. 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 I'm interested to try the new retinol formula, but I'm loving this right now, and I haven't even touched the surface of it. So that's another thing that actually I got this before the Self Respect, but this was already on my list, so this didn't even matter. What else? Just take everything out so I'm not looking awkward and reaching. So I repurchased the Drunk Elephant, Peaky, and Juju Bar minis. I like the minis because, one, normally with cleansers, after a while, I start having to switch them out. So far I haven't had to, but one, this gives me the freedom to do that because there are smaller bars. If you can see that, there's smaller bars, and I really like it because, one, they're cheaper, and two, these last a long time. So my first one I bought in February. I just replaced that one a month ago. Yes, I replaced that one a month ago, and then I was like a little short of my order, so I was like, let me just throw in another one because I know I'm gonna like it. So I got another set of the bars going into the Hydra Intense Serum. I went ahead and got a full size. I absolutely love this stuff. I guess this is turning into a review. I'm sorry, but I do absolutely love this stuff. Like, I love mixing it, one, with the Sephora. Like, this combination has helped my dark circles. I mean, not dark circles. This combination has helped my dark spots and my hyperpigmentation. Like, it's been amazing. I've tried to use some other cheaper products but I found that this has been the best combination for my skin. So I went ahead and bought the bigger size of this because I love mixing this with my regular moisturizer. A brand I'm testing right now. I love their product, but the formulation leaves me a little too matte. So I just put a drop of this and it's perfect after that. So yes. Plus, I just love Drunk Elephants. Like, I love no air, no light, and I love just that feature. I'm gonna stop doing that now. What else do I have? I'm going back to my OGs. I realized, I'm like, y'all, you're spending a little too much on skincare, especially moisturizers and me just don't get along. So I went back to my original love. This is the Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Cream. I really like this one because, like the Drunk Elephant, it has a top that won't let air in. So it's one of those, when you push, it pushes the formula up and no air gets in. I also like to cheat with these and reuse the bottles when I'm done. I'll create a separate video on that because I also do it with like the Drunk Elephant mini. So I'll actually do a different video showing you guys how I do that. But I got 2 of those just because Target just put them on sale. They did their own version of a beauty steal sale. And so I got 2 for the price of 1. So I was like, I'm gonna need new moisturizer in like a few weeks anyway, so I might just well. So yet another Drunk Elephant thing. I got their Precious Cargo Baby Let's Go bag, and this has, what made me get this was when I went in the store and got something from Sephora. I don't remember what I got, but I got a sample of the baby facial. I used it wrong the first time, so I had some issues with it, but the parts of my skin that I used it on right, I absolutely loved it. And then a week after that, they announced that they were going to be Drunk Elephant released Speak. A week after I got that sample and was using it, Drunk Elephant announced that they were releasing this, and you get a full-size baby facial. So I was like, yes, please. Yes. So I got this. And actually, I haven't used this yet. 1, because I still have some of that sample left. And 2, because I have some of that sample left. And the other products in here, I'm just like, about trying. So I figure I could wait a little bit. So this comes with, oh gosh. So this comes with a full-size baby facial. Again, that pop-up top. what is this? This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil, and then the Sheba Complex Eye Serum. Oh, it's like it. Cool, I get to test out both their eye serums. So far I'm liking the C Tango, so I wonder how it compares to the other one. We'll see. Also comes with, I'm just gonna go ahead and take both of these out. Come on. That's not coming out. Why aren't you coming out? Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. So it's the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser, and then the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I do actually like this cream. I just don't think it's worth 60 bucks. Or how much, I don't even know, 68, 60, whatever this is. I think it's fine, but I just, again, I fight with moisturizers. Like one moisturizer that will work one day will not work for me the next day. So I see no point in splurging in my moisturizers. So that's also why I went back to the Pacifica, because this is only $16. It's a good size. It keeps air out. It's been working for my skin. And as much as I like the Drunk Elephant packaging, and it has been working, I'm just like, I don't want to have to spend that much every month for a moisturizer. Especially because my skin, I end up putting more stuff on after it anyway. So I'm like, I've come to realize I don't need that like an expensive moisturizer. So yeah. So, and then on top of just the stuff in this, I got a little careful with there. And aside from just what comes in the Precious Cargo, it's also a nice little travel bag. So I was happy about the bag because there's two separate compartments. So this is like perfect for traveling, or even me for like throwing in my gym bag, so I can separate things. So I really like this. And that was another thing about the Shelf Respect. Like, granted, I'm not using it right now. I'm using this more as display right now, but this is a functioning case that you can open, store things. There's a mirror. Like, this is legit. So on top of like the full price of the product, you get a nice mirror. This one you get a nice bag, and it just works out. So because of all the crap that was on the table, my bad, products, I actually forgot the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about this, and I just really wanted to give it a try. I like that it is a treatment that, one, you just apply after you wash your hair. So I realized that this was kind of like that was more advertised to people who actually wash their hair more often. Unlike me, who only washes their hair like once a month, if that. But I did want to try this out as well. So it's technically still skincare, it's scalp care. Your scalp is still your skin. So yeah, that's just the other product that I got as well. I just wanted to throw that in there. But yeah, that is the conclusion of Noria Went a Little Crazy with skincare this past month. But yeah, just kind of just throwing out what I got, and because I know Sephora sale is about to start at the end of the month, and just giving you guys some ideas of what you can look out for. Pretty much all of the kits, you know, every year they do sample kits and stuff like that for all the brands. Those are already out, so this gives me time to test things and see if I need anything else when that sale starts. But that is pretty much it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.